This video is on Fisher-Price Sit-Me-Up floor seat review as well as Fisher-Price Sit-Me-Up how to use. Fisher-Price Sit-Me-Up floor seat provides a safe and comfortable place for your baby to sit up and interact. In this Fisher-Price Sit-Me-Up how to use video, I cover Fisher-Price Sit-Me-Up weight limit and age range, Sit-Me-Up how to fold and unfold, and finally Fisher-Price Sit-Me-Up cover replacement and cleaning. So what is Fisher-Price Sit-Me-Up weight limit and age range? Use this Fisher-Price Sit-Me-Up only with an infant who is able to hold his head up unassisted and who is not able to climb out or walk. The maximum weight limit is 25 pounds or 11.3 kilograms. To fold, locate these buttons on each side of the Fisher-Price Sit-Me-Up. While you press them both, lower the seat like this. You can store this to save some room. To unfold Fisher-Price Sit-Me-Up floor seat, lift the seat until you hear it snaps. Let's start Fisher-Price Sit-Me-Up floor seat cover removal by detaching the toys. The end of the seat pad is connected to the frame with 3 pegs. Pull the seat pad like this to release it. The top of the seat pad is attached to the seat ring. Release the 8 bottom holes on the seat pad from the pegs under the seat ring. The seat pad is released now. So how to wash Fisher-Price Sit-Me-Up floor seat? You can machine wash the seat pad in cold water and gentle cycle in low heat. Don't use bleach and do not iron the seat pad. Now I show you how to put on the Fisher-Price Sit-Me-Up cover after washing. Attach the end of the seat pad to the frame with these 3 pegs. Put the seat pad on the seat ring like this. Connect the top of the seat pad to the seat ring with the 8 buttons hole on the seat pad to the pegs under the seat ring. Attach the toys like this. By the way, I have other videos on the disassembly and assembly of this Fisher-Price Sit-Me-Up floor seat if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.